Wow, my lovely viewers all over the world, I bring una good things today. Today I come for you to talk about special thing for inside Benin City. At the first, it's secular like this. It's not the first time we watch me for internet. This one are the voice of Bureau of Edo State Market Blog. And normally I appreciate all my viewers all over the world for the love, the time when I tell they watch my videos, the like, share and comment. And for that time when I tell they patronize people will be say for this platform. Today I want to give now one person will already ask of who now want know all this why for electronics matter. Today I dey bring now please BN Una Global Ventures, the Ebubedike for electronics for the whole of Africa. Now I can give you now today. It's sit down for inside Benin City for first is secular through Sapon Road, opposite the Anglican Church where yours the this first is secular Prince BN Global Ventures. Now they will hear the Ebubedike of electronics for the whole of Africa. So today I come follow them talk about electronics where they get all in one. They are not by the screen as they watch me, so they be verified member of Edo State Market Blog as I follow the talk. So feel free to do business with them without having any issue. Ready for the buy your electronics. Show them when they see everything with there. This one all in one warehouse of electronics for inside Benin City. Maybe don't forget as they watch me like this. So this one are just the tip of an iceberg of what you will see for inside this place. If I carry you go upstairs, you'll be wowed for what you will see for there. So those of them who don't live for high standard quality electronics, all these I would not see like the one they see for that side. Those electronics will get double screen. Or if you walk out on top the screen, I know go break. Worry no more. Sit down and watch as I take you around today. This one at Edo State Market Blog. I go to follow the person where they charge for it and they talk on all the electronics matter with good and quality price. Keep watching. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, I don't deal with that particular face hold and don't see before. For inside this place, I want to introduce her to Nigeria for the second time going. She going to take us around everything we they get for here. When I go there wild for the kind of electronics when I go see today. So stay tuned. Mama, good afternoon today. We're very happy to meet you for the second time. But maybe greet your viewers, say hi to them.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mrs. Favor, the General Supervisor from Prince BN Una Global Ventures, the Ebubedike for electronics.
Good now, she be this. She some of them don't patronize them before. Now do well when I take patronize them. This of now we never patronize them. Now you go to see their number live and direct for the screen. Actually, they watch me so and their address. So I go to call their address. After now, I just call this particular officer. They get other address for different places up to 4. So that the one they close to your area, if you go patronize them for them and see the same thing, all of them be. So make we go, we tell them what you will get for you. We'll start from the generational aspect.
Okay. So we have many generators here, many type of generators. We have fireman, we have helipad, we have sensing, we have a Sonic.
Okay,
Sonic generator.
Okay.
So we have Benin.
Oh, we just touch them one after like this one and this helipad generator now. And this one like this. What you and what you carry?
On this helipad generator, this 6,200 watts. So okay. This one can carry what's it called? Sorry. Borehole.
Okay, say this one like this, they carry
yes,
borehole.
Carry borehole.
Okay.
So you can carry borehole. On this one you are see here, can carry borehole.
Like this one, so how much for this one?
The price very fair, not too much.
I tell now before, say the price cheap for here.
When you come here, now we they sell wholesale for Benin. All okay. The branches, when you need something, when you get build the hotel, get that is where they are said, that is fuel yes. Filling stations. So come and meet us. We give you something that is good. The generator that you will use there that will be good for you and you will enjoy it. Okay.
They give us guarantee. Either they build
guarantee, we get guarantee.
Hotel will be how many thousand room. Come here, generator will carry on. They could not worry. Just relax. I will carry you around everything they get for you. So this one like how much?
This one now, I get this one for 280.
Say 280 for this one like this, and they carry
carry borehole.
Saint we. This one how much?
10 wheel. You can get this one for 250.
Say this one 250. So they get different products,
different
and different
product,
price.
yes,
So
different products,
this Elephant now, big one.
This Elephant,
Elephant
big one,
constant.
Elephant constant. So you can get this. This one can carry 2 AC.
Okay.
Borehole. This one can carry
At a
8.
go.
Yeah, you can use it.
Okay. How much?
Without no
like
problem. You can get this for 550.
Say 550.
Yes.
Sharp as you say. And so,
Yes.
so as you just dey listen to me for a screen, just dey write anything you want buy down, we get the price now and call them now. When they call them, tell them so you dey call for Edo Market Block and they will give you better price. Where you know they pocket friendly.
It's on a higher Tamoko product.
Higher Tamoko.
It's higher Tamoko product. The price is very fair. You can get this for 350.
Okay, say 300.
350,000.
Like this one, okay, this one 2.5 kg.
Yes,
What is
carry
it?
borehole. Yes.
Okay, so
Can
this
carry
one they
borehole.
carry ball.
Carry
Where
AC.
carry AC
Yes.
and no issue. And this one big. This one a factory.
This one a fireman.
Big fireman.
This fireman
Okay.
for this for fuel. This fuel, not
Fuel.
diesel.
Wow.
This one use fuel, not diesel.
Diesel.
So you can use this for a big hotel. You can use it for hotel. Use it for police station.
Okay. Hotel filling station.
Can carry
am.
equipment for you.
This one big. It's supposed
Yes.
to carry many. Like this one,
Yes.
how much for this one going?
So you can get this one for 2.5 million.
Say this one 2.5 million and a fireman products and a fuel they use. Okay,
And
this one.
is diesel.
Okay, this one's not
This one
diesel.
for diesel.
Okay.
So this one can carry full filling station. Big as that filling station, no matter how big it is. So this can carry it. Can get this for 1.6 million.
Say this one 1.6 million naira.
Yes.
Okay, sharply.
1.6. The same thing. So this Elephant generator.
Elephant generator.
This one can carry 2 AC.
This one can carry 2 AC.
This one can carry 2 AC.
Okay.
Carry borehole without shaking.
Okay, how much for this one they go for?
This one 550.
550.
550, 550, the same price.
The same price.
This one
are same weight.
This one are same weight.
Okay.
Sensi.
Okay.
Sensi. This one very powerful generator.
Rugged.
Very powerful. Very powerful. So you can use this for your for hotel.
Okay.
Can carry many equipment for you. Can use it for a big church.
Okay.
And the price of
yeah,
very powerful generator. The price of this one 700.
700,000 sharp for this one. So different generator they as you already say. And so may you call them, give them the generator we want buy, tell them what you want me that generator carry, and they will give you the price. You say that particular generator be okay. May we go. This one like this.
So this one is same.
Wow, fireman.
Yes, fireman.
This one a very mighty fireman.
Very powerful generator. Zero noise.
Zero noise.
Yes, don't make noise.
Okay, I don't sound zero graphics. You know the dance.
You know the dance. You very portable and powerful.
True. How much for this one like this?
We can get this one for 750.
750. And they sell them for inside here like this. All their price. Call them. Just tell them say they call them for Edo Market Block. They will give you better price. Sharp.
Better price. Come. Everything we have here, we have discount for it.
Say discount day. So discount for grant. Remember saying at December period now we just so you will want come Nigeria. You want park enter your house. You need good electronics. Just watch everything there. I will take you around. Just show them what you do. Like just wanna different conditioner of different time. Yes. Like LG, Nexus, Panasonic, Polystar, Essence, everything there. Tamokun. Yeah. Just relax. You go see everything like this. So we don't generate money for you. I don't touch everything. If not, we go spend 2 days for you. We not go come on. So when you call them, tell them the type of generator what you want and what you want me that generator carry, and they will give you the price sharply. So these ones like this, all of them they all for them for upstairs. All this one show them the day. Okay, go quick check this. Walk with me. Okay, all this one like this.
Fire. This fire TV stand.
TV stand.
This TV stand. Fire chef.
Okay, check. We go see the sample where we display fire
yes,
for up.
Display for up.
Okay, so now we see the display for up. This one like this now. A TV stand, mighty one, luxury one, and it display fire for inside like this. This one like this how much?
Can get this for 350.
See this one 350,000. Don't forget, see all this one are imported product too. Not be here that they do and they import them. Yes. Okay. What about this one like this? TV stand.
This TV stand, you can get this for 220.
220,000. Okay. Look, we come. Remember I said I told you I said this place is a very big place.
Fire shelf.
You can see the fire shelf. The same price with that one.
Yes.
Okay, and all this one. How much for this one?
This very one. You can get this. Price is here. I get this for 200.
Say 200,000 naira for this one price tag. Why this one will be up so?
100,000.
Nobody will that for you.
So for that price that is written there, we can also give you a discount for it.
You see what they tell you, discount. They not be like supermarket. We be say once you don't see the price, now you go pay. But if you come here, discount dey. So they bring una come the department wey be say na your luxury dining table. So make una watch. Show them this dining table. Show them get 2, 4, 6 chairs wey dey follow on the waka. 6 good one for a dining. So this dining set like this na how much?
And this dining, the price of this dining is 450.
So now 450,000 naira for the price of this dining. Where you see so very clean with 6 chairs, 450,000 naira. Wow, this one. What about this center table? How much for this last one? Yeah.
This one I convert to 150.
150 naira for this glass and this luxury center table. I want to ask, I beg, this particular one, they come with the dining table?
No.
Okay, this one a separate one. Okay. 150,000 naira for this one. So we see for it. So another one have be this one. This one I see dining set. This dining set. So how much for this one? This marble dining set.
Wow. I get this for 350.
350,000 naira with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 chairs too. 350,000 naira. So now see be this one dining set.
This one you can get this type. You can just view this very well. You can get this type for 350,000.
This one at 350 with also 6 chairs. 6 chairs.
No, this 4 chairs.
Okay, this one is 4 chairs.
4 chairs, yes.
Okay, 350,000 naira. Okay, there are many for here. See different dining. Just show them, view them.
Different center table.
Different center tables. Yes. This particular center table, how much?
The price of this one is 350,000.
350,000. This one a luxury center table, well wrapped and well presented. Now be this one. So all these ones now you call them, they will give price. This marble table. So how much for this?
This one, this very one.
Yes, this marble dining table.
So you can get this for 300.
Say this one 300,000 naira. This one is separate from our
bed. Separate.
Okay. What about this one?
This one is 150.
150.
This one is 300. 4 chairs.
So everything is here. Either your furniture materials for your furnitures or they. Now come work with me. Today with the department of chairs. Luxury chairs for your heart. When you say you don't get issue with good foam and with good quality. Maybe you feel them. May I put and feel them so that I go see how it be for you. So this set like this now how much?
This set like this, like this, I get it for 550.
Okay, now 1, 2, 3.
That is a yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 seater, 2 seaters, 1, 2 single.
Okay, that's how much?
That is 550.
550,000 for this royal executive chair. You say 2 single, 1 2-seater and 1 3-seater.
Yes.
550,000 naira. Sharp for inside like this. This one I see another set 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. How much for this one?
The same price.
The same price.
All
just
take here. The price is
like just take the view of everything. All of them are the same. 550,000 for your set of chair with good and quality material. You don't need to disturb yourself again. Just carry and come here. In fact, if you want to enter your house today, all the equipment you need for your sitting room and for your
you will be the one to say, I want to change it. This is okay, I want to change it to another pattern.
See, I go talk again.
Yes.
Everything done there. Yeah. So make now wait, make they go up. Follow me, make we go up. Just wait, make we go up. Make I go show now the real mansion, the real original things where I want make una see for inside here today. So make you keep watching as I take una go up. Oh yeah, work with me, work with me. As they watch me, so anything we want, reach out to them and patronize them today.
Look at the side of that fire ship.
So now the TV of the fire chef, that's what you see as they go. So TV of different kind, all this one is sample, you will see them for all.
TV here.
All of them did there. Any inches where you find. So come, walk with me. Different as you see them, they see, don't see I show you say even the price tag for them, they go see no other city follow you. They talk. This one on 250,000 naira. For 100,000 naira. As you see, this one we did on 180. This one now 150,000 naira. 150. Let's go. Wow. It's shocking now. Hey, I know they go work with me. This one now the department. Wow.
It's only ACs. With all type. We have Samsung, we have LG, we have all type, whatever, no type if you want. any type of AC you want, we have it here. So the price is here.
Okay, this one na 900,000 naira. As you can see, so standing AC. This one too na 870,000 naira. Sharply for inside here. This one na 1.320. 1.3 million naira. 1.3 million and 20,000 naira. And you see for here, so it's 3 tons.
Why this LG is 1.250?
This one na 1.250. 3 tons.
Inverter work with low current.
And an inverter na be like this for here. So as you can see, and what I see for here, so we say you get 10 years warranty. 10-year warranty. So anything we buy for you, be rest assured, say now quality things and you get the value. Okay.
The sample of the AC we just show downstairs.
Yes.
So the split AC, inverter, non-inverter, we have it all here.
Okay. As you follow all the talk.
LG, we have Thermocone, we have Nexus, we have Polystar, we have Hisense.
Okay.
In no time.
This one like this. Which one? This one's an inverter. This. Okay. This one an inverter.
This one an inverter.
And this one 380,000 naira for this one.
Remember, we have a discount.
Okay. It's a discount. They make you not forget that. Put them for the back of your mind. Say discount. They as you see this one for you like this. Okay. Why this one?
Dual inverter. So.
Okay. So dual inverter.
Inverter 320.
Okay.
We work with low current.
So
remember, discounts.
That
discount will be given.
Okay, this one Akma
320.
This one 330.
Panasonic 330.
So your gas stop date they get for here.
So industrial gas.
This one like this now 220,000 naira.
Yeah.
And be this one so others they here too as you say.
240.
That one with the
industrial gas
240,000. This one too now 230 for your industrial gas for you. So make I take you around your refrigerators and your water dispenser. Okay, no good.
So this Hisense, that is non-double door. So the price is 820,000.
Okay, that it is
safe. Yes.
Okay. Now fridge and freezer.
Yeah. Freezer. Yes,
this one down and fridge and freezer. See how big it is. Double door when you see from inside here. So, okay, the price now 820,000 naira standing fridge. Okay, this one I see your standing AC.
Standing AC LG inverter.
950,000
work with no current, yeah.
Don't forget, discount is available.
Look at this.
Wow.
Hisense.
Wow.
Side by side
door.
The price is here.
920,000.
Remember the discount.
Remember discount inside. And this one, the good one is it gets
water dispenser.
So if you want to use a special dispenser, it is available. You get different purpose for inside here. So this one too. Okay. Double door, side by side. Okay, side by side, double door too. They sound all of them they inside here. Make you pick your choice. Just for them. They are not performance screen. Life and direct. This one is 820,000 naira. Okay, this one is 440,000 naira. And I see double door with your freezer and fridge. So all of them sharp for inside like this. Aeon products 450,000 naira. See and double door too with your freezer and fridge too. So anyone where you want buy. This one a microwave. This one a 120,000 naira na LG. The same thing where you see for here. Your fan, all of them there in case you need. Wow. See fridge now. Hisense. Just like the one when I showed now for that side just now. At the same thing, this one 900,000 naira. Okay. All this one are your standing fridge too. But this one are just Skyron products and now one door. Okay. All of the day. This one like this now 240,000 naira. This one are LG 160,000 naira. Okay. Your washing machine too. The LG products.
Side loader, automatic LG washing machine.
So you see all of them from inside here now 6.5 kg. Okay. Now be this one. So how much for
this is 450.
So 450,000 naira.
That is a Hisense top loader.
Okay, top loader.
Yeah, the price is 380.
380. So this one now oven where you see for here, and the price now 120,000 naira. Century product. Now be that one like this. So we get speakers there. No worry, I go show you the department with it. So this one now just speaker like this. So now LG products. Soundbar. How much for this one like this?
I get this one for 220.
Okay. This one for 220,000 naira. This one are your Mazzy water dispenser, and then be this one. So sharp now 150,000 naira inside here, and this one. So things many for year. Make I just take you around sharp. The one where I want gonna see where for inside. I go see the show now they go. This one are the TV segments. This one like this now Miwi products.
Miwi products.
Okay.
That is this 55 inches. Unbreakable. Yeah.
Unbreakable. That English big go.
Like, unbreakable. It can't break. It cannot break. Even if you hit something on it,
it cannot break.
So let me show you.
Let's dramatize this. Go drama. You don't say me na king of drama. They always show. Na TV.
Yes.
I've been at the person at your hand.
No.
The card.
This
is not breakable. Child, this is unbreakable. It not break. It's unbreakable. They show there say it not break.
Unbreakable TV.
Unbreakable TV. This one
with 10 years guarantee.
10 years. 10 years like this. 5 plus 5. 10 years.
Why this one is 85 inches.
85 inches.
3 million.
3 million naira. 85 inches. Make I tell now what they do. Make I check out for you. Okay, now smart TV.
Smart TV.
1 year warranty and 1 year guarantee. They run on Android app APK and they shoot 4K. If you wait, they see now 4K. Those of now they into the line now we know what I mean by 4K. You get Facebook, they use USB, Bluetooth, and they show you get HDMI with Netflix, everything they are available inside. They say now 3 million naira. And not forget, discount is available whenever you call them. So this one a double screen like this. I want this one. It's not the break. As if say now how much the nail house. This is unbelievable. Alright, unbelievable. So category now, all of them they see. So this one at 3 million.
Hisense, Samsung.
Okay, more like this one side. How much for this one?
The price is LG products.
LG
85 inches.
85 inches.
1.450.
This one at 1.450. Me not forget to abeg. Me not say because I knock down, I knock this one. So now only that one be double screen. This one will be double screen. That's why that one at 3 million naira. This one at 1.450. 1,450,000 naira. 85 inches too. Okay.
This one Samsung 85 inches.
This one
1.7 million.
1.7 million. Now this Samsung 85 inches. This TV they magic. Okay, show them the back. Now this one be the unbreakable. So maybe say at the back be now LED TV they see like this. So LED and a very quality TV. The display for the what do they call them? Fire chef now be this one. So they increase them, they reduce them. If you want me to bring more fire, you go press this place, it go increase. You see reduce them depending on how you want them. So all this one I don't give now price for downstairs. This one at 280,000 naira as you see. Okay. This one how many inches you can see?
This 70 inches.
Okay, 70 inches, and this one they go for 750,000 naira and an LG products for you. Okay. Why this one I see LG. This one now 85 inches
1.4 million
and 1.4 million naira. But you see for you, put time for back of your mind. Discount day if you call them. Now me Piros myself they are show now that one. And this TV is why I don't show now since for you. Now smart TV, notice smart TV they do now. If you do internet for you live and direct, you they watch and live. See the 4K way they shoot. You see as they watch and they play, as they watch something for cinema. That they watch and live. Now the 4K display where all of them they show for their screen. You go play as now real and what thing they show now for you like this. So all this one now your washing machine of different kind. This one at 520,000 naira LG. Okay, this one at
7.5 kg.
7.5 kg. It is wash and spin. Abi? Wash and spin. This one now.
So this side loader.
Okay.
Washing machine. Why this one's a top loader washing machine?
And this one is
washing and spinning.
Now LG too. Yes. This one at 380,000 naira.
Smart inverter. So okay. 10 years
warranty. This one too. Now higher thermocouple is 380,000 naira for that one.
This is the Nexus product.
Nexus product.
Nexus product. 360,000.
Okay,
Side loader,
360,000 naira.
7 kg.
Side loader. This one has Skyron, 450,000 naira.
Inverter compressor.
Inverter compressor and a
Low
standing.
current, yes.
So everything there.
Freezers.
Yeah, different kind. This one, 340. Tamoko. You see, and so it be for inside. So reach out to them as they follow you, they talk. So they are not bad disc, no waste time. Everything where you want, right? You don't get issue. Those of you now always say they call me, say I want to follow these people back. You not get wild. If you want call me, but if you don't call me, do business with them directly. You not get issue. Now me they give you now the guarantee.
Come and meet us. We'll supply you whatever you want.
You build your apartment. You be hostels.
Event centers.
Events, anything where you want to build, and you need furnitures. You need electronics of different kind.
Whatever you need, anything concerning electronics.
Global Resources, the ABUBTK for electronics. Now they give you now today. So work with me. 340. This one 650,000 naira. Okay, this one at Temoku and a double freezer with this double door freezer. Okay, now be this one. So I at Temoku. This one
chef power.
Okay, yes. I see double. Okay, this one a single door, and the amount they go for 320,000 naira. This one 260. So they need for you.
You want freezer for your cold room? Come and meet us. Locate us at Prince BN Global Venture, located at First in Circular, opposite St. Joseph, number 95. Yeah, life at direct.
First is Circular. If you pass through Sakomba Road, enter, or if you like pass through Akbaba, enter. They sit down for you opposite this St. Joseph Church. Now here they sit down. Now very big, mighty, with the up and down electronics full on. You see them for you. So this one like this now 620,000 naira.
Nexus products.
Nexus is double door. Like they get inside like this. Now let's talk about the different sound system. If you want to carry DJ come your house, not do that one and worry no more. You yourself now DJ for inside your house. So this one like this.
The price is here 1.1 million.
So now just set like this.
Just set like this.
This one now DJ.
LG products.
LG products. This one now 5,000 watts. Get Bluetooth and everything. So now in this one. So alright, now in this one like this. This one now set. So they bring DJ come your house. Wow, this one now 1.1 million naira. Sharply for inside here. Why this one like this? Come on, show them this SB. This one are SB. Single
LG
like this.
Products.
LG products. Wow.
Single like this. Everything is here. So the price is 300.
Get money, oh, get money. I will never be broke. Get money. See now, this one at 320,000. Everything there now just system like this and a machine. Okay, make I show you now the rest. Move follow you enter. What does it that side where I will show you now? This one now, another one like this. This one's like now set, abi?
Yes.
Set. And
no, this.
Okay, this two now
yes,
set. This two now set. Yes. This one now 190,000 naira. This now 480 watts. This one now 2,350 watts and 380,000 naira. You want buy electric iron, you want buy anything, you want buy any electric kettle. Now then be all this one. Ask them. Their phone number they there. This one are 20,000 naira for electric kettle. Their phone number this thing. Call them and thank me later. Follow them, do business. Thank me later. You don't get issue. TVs different type. 250 as hand reach. All of them are smart. 150. This one's like this now. I-Tech TV be this one I don't hear.
Samsung.
This one are Samsung. I go see show now others. So sound system. This one are 130,000 naira and a Polystar products. Why this one like this now 240,000 naira. Hisense machine. This one are system on
800 watts.
Like this now LG products. We don't show now some LG since this one now. Okay, which product? This LG products.
Yes.
Wow, this one I say 85
inches.
85 inches, and you go for 2,250,000 naira. Don't forget discounts. They call them. So all these ones like this now, smaller ones, this one 120,000, this one 120,000, and the jack. Because some of them I don't know the jack already. This one now 260,000 naira. This one for this the jack. So we dey inside like this. Anything insect killer, they inside here like this. Anyone will be fine. They get on this one like this. How much for this one like this?
This one like this is
okay. The price tag I not saying for here. call them, they will let you know the price. We say that they sell this one for inside. Wow, this one smoke extractor. How much is this smoke extractor? Smoke extractor for your kitchen. Maybe this one a FEMA product and a 320,000 naira. Now they sell them for inside. So see on electronics, this one a LG product. 2,300 watts, 620,000 naira. Wait, this one come down like this, now set like this. Okay, like this, comes down like this. This system and this machine now 620,000 naira. Phone 620,000 naira. Sharply. So another one, let's see this one. So they save this one at 270,000 naira. Okay. Everything now don't carry the show now for inside today. For inside please BN Global Ventures, they will be DK for electronics. We can take you around your that side, this thing see the last side. So they get all of them in cards on you see them here. So nice then fans of different types like this. Different type of fans. And they get for it. This one like this 95,000 naira. Okay, price start Monday this one. This one are royal products. Make they go. Okay, this one 75,000 naira for inside. So now waiting I can give you now for inside first circular today, all in one electronic shop. Now be this one. Please be in Owner Global Ventures. They will be DK for electronics. I see they into furniture and different things. Make I follow this side, make I wrap up with this side today for inside here. Thank you now wait and they follow me since they wash and share. They expect una call, make una call them. I know say una they always they believe the people will be say the show now for inside don't want to block. All this one are your standing gas. This one are this now 1, 2, 3. 3 burner, 1 electric. This one 270,000 naira. Okay.
Why this one is 250,000? 3 burner and 1 electric.
Okay, and a different product.
This woody gas. Okay. Why this one is?
This one like this now. 4 burner. All of them are gas. I want 35,000 naira please. And I want 35,000. This one are
different products.
Skyron products. 3
burner and
1 electric. 220,000 naira. Wow, this one is mine. Like this one is Mazi product.
It's Mazi product, woody gas.
Okay.
All gas.
Wow, this one fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5. Now 5
yes.
There. All gas 5.
So
and
the
their mass
price
now
is
370,000. Why this one like this? So this one a big tech and
product.
4
burner and 2 electric. So the price is 380,000
naira. Why this one has 380,000
Mazi products, all gas. Why this one is also Mazi products,
okay.
4 burner and 2 electric.
390,000.
Why this one is Hayat Tabukun products,
okay.
1 burner, 1 electric and a 4 burner. So the price is 450,000.
This one 2 now.
3 burner and 1 electric, 300,000. Hayat Amoko. Remember, we have a discount.
See, don't forget that one. So this one's like this now for inside here. And Skyron washing machine.
Manual.
Okay,
so
it's on a manual.
This manual is 6 kg. The price is very fair.
160,000 naira. Okay, this one
why this one is Hisense 7.5 kg.
Price is 180,000 naira.
This LG product. This LG. The price of this LG is 190,000
naira. Okay, yeah. You don't see everything now.
So this Century product. So the price is 285,000 naira.
Okay.
This is 9 kg. Why this one is 10.5 kg?
And
so the price is
310,000 naira. All right. Yes, I don't give now. All in one electronic shop today. Please be in Owner Global Ventures. It will be taking care of electronics for inside Benin City. I could read out the address of their other branch to you. They're big for inside Benin City. So welcome to the home of electronics. Call their number for screen. Some of you always they need all those pada, food process, they get everything. Just put calls, call their number. They will let you know. This one like this, they still get down. Now food processor, young panda, like this one. They go for 80,000 naira. Sharp, all electronics, all you want. This one too. Now your MI, I normal speak everything. Century, say this one and your food processor, young panda too, your 80,000, everything they inside. So now here I for bring down to an end for my tour for inside electronics for here. But don't forget those now will get hotel, big factory, Jen day will be carry down. I will show now that one for outside before I come on for here. God bless you until you see me again. This one at Edo State Market. Okay, this one at the side will be say they carry all those factories. If you need big them for your hotels and you get big thing where you want some power. This one are Perkins products now 30,000 kVA. 30 kVA rather. I beg your pardon, 30 kVA. How much for this one like this?
Any kVA you want, just contact the number you will see on the screen.
Okay, any kVA we want.
Any kVA, we have 200 kVA, 150 kVA, 30 kVA, 50 kVA, so on and so forth. So anyone who wants, you will get it from us.
Okay.
So we have many branches in Benin. We have 4 branches in Benin here. If you want to locate us, you can get us from. We have one at Iyaro, after Iyaro Park. We have one at New Etete Road. We have one at New Benin Mission Road. So one at First, opposite St. Joseph. We are here live and direct. Whatever you want, you get it from us here. Thank you.
Alright, so if you want this, I don't forget what I call this scenario, I don't forget now. So this one for your pulling up for your house, you want to put up for house. Those of us with the lock account to a day like this. How much can you sell?
This particular one, you can get this for 300,000.
This one 300,000. This one 250,000. So everything there, don't make life big comfortable for everybody. This one like this. Ask your teacher, your set of dining with inside just now, all of them full here. So may you reach out to them, may you call them, patronize them. Thank you very much for your time. We don't see the follow me since this one, the voice of Piro as usual of Edo State Market Blog. They go to expect your call and buy and patronize them. Then you will thank me later. God bless you. Until you see me again for your screen, remain blessed.